Check it out, everyone. A place we haven't been in quite a while. And today we are running the Typhon. So I have the Ovonic, maybe you can see there, the 7200 4S, because 4S is plenty for this car. So let me get this buttoned up and go run. Gotta have it. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today be the first time on track using the new Spectrum remote here. So this should be interesting. Let's get to my perch. Those tracks looking kind of rough. It's go easy, man. Yeah, so it's been a while. You know, when school's out, I just don't want to drive over here and find a bunch of people on the track. Man, this thing is slick. Ooh. Yeah, I need to warm up a little bit here. Man, I am rusty. Maybe I should come out. It's quite a bit of a drive for me to get out here, and I don't want to come out here and there's like a bunch of people. Wow, man, this track is, you might be able to see the difference in the color, like in the middle there, where the piping's not, how it's kind of like a light color. Even over here, you can see how dark this is. Just weird, it hasn't rained in a while. Not that I'm aware of. Yeah, I'm actually coming out here today because the hobby shop is going to let me run the JADO before it's released. They're going to let me, I think I'm going to be able to come out here and actually run the JADO, so that's why I'm here. And I'll figure, hey, I'm driving all this way, let's bring a couple of cars. So this is my track car, of course, so I had to bring this. And I'm probably, I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna push the nitro video first. I don't know. Cause over there on the bench, I got the nitro rustler. Ooh, I gotta remember, I gotta hit that thing with some speed. All right, yeah. Ooh, I was about to say I'm starting to get the hang of it, and then I go, great. Man, I really do like the track, man. Until I do that. Oh man. Now I'm wondering, maybe I should have used the GoPro and I could have put an ND filter on there, because I know I'm like right in the sun. It's making it hard for me to tell where the dang car is. The sun's in my eyes. Even though I got sunglasses on, I know this ain't probably the most exciting stuff for people to watch, and sorry, appreciate you tuning in. Gee, I'm not having a good time. I mean, I'm not like not enjoying myself. It's just I'm not having a very good time over here keeping this car straight on the track. Now, even on 4S, this car's got a tremendous amount of power. I actually backflipped it off of this thing. I came off this, or this mount, came over here, backflipped and landed on the other side of that. Whew. Yeah, I need a lot of practice. I am so rusty at this. But the remote, man, feels great. The spring pressure on that is so nice. I'm almost thinking maybe I should slow down the servo. Maybe that would help me out a little bit. Maybe we'll do that. We'll see if it doesn't help me. Got these cool shock tower covers here and the flexible wing mount from Garage Life RC. So if you're looking for some cool accessories for your Typhon or other cars, check them out. Let's see here. So that's 50%. That's 100%. See if I put down like 20. So that's a pretty cool feature with this remote here. So our motor temp right there, or our ESC temp's at 113. We got 16 volts. Whoa. Man, this track is just slick. Jeez. Oh, come on. I think the steering might be just a little bit too slow. Well, I'm just not having a good time. I am not getting this car down at all. Ooh, this is... I just need to relax. Just enjoy. Just enjoy being out here and let me turn that steering up. Turn it to 70. I do love this car, man. It is great. And usually out here I got the Typhon TLR wheels on this. Usually it's pretty good. I meant to bring my little leaf blower with me. Kind of knock down some of the dust on the track. They told me it would be okay to do that. And I forgot it. We just got back from camping and it's still in the RV, so I didn't see it. Well, I do not have a gyro in here either, so if anybody's wondering. I didn't want to use a gyro for the racetrack. I wanted to get that natural feel for it. Oh. Man, this is fun. I just did a video not long ago before, oh actually I think it was, yeah, before I went to Europe. I put a 6S pack in this thing and took it out there and ran it. Did you guys see that one? Whew. I'll tell you what, this thing is an animal on a 6S. I mean, it's got a ton of power right now, 4S. See, I knew it'd clear that. I just got to get a better feel for everything that's going on. Ah, come on. Oh, cool, self-recovery mode. All right, this can make me redo. You know, well, I don't want this video to get too long. I just wanted to share a little track experience with you, running the Typhon. Hope you enjoyed watching us run. Whoa. Anybody remember that cartoon Snagglepuss, I think it was? Exit stage right.
So exit stage left.
That's what the Typhon just did. He's like, I'm out of here. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep running until I'm out of battery. Oh, that didn't help. It took out my foot there. Oh man, love this car, love this thing. All right, well, like I said, I don't want to make this video terribly long. All I'm gonna do is just keep coming out here doing laps, and then when the battery dies, I'm gonna go fire up the Nitro Rustler and see how good a two-wheel drive. That's really scary because this four-wheel drive is having a hard time. We're gonna see what a two-wheel drive Nitro can do on the track, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. Everyone, appreciate the support. Links down below, discounts. There's also, okay, I thought I chipped it. There's also affiliate links if you want to buy these through Tower or AMAIN, stuff like that. Greatly appreciate it. And if you shop Amazon, please set my store as your homepage. Just when you go to Amazon, boom, do your shopping. Helps me out to buy these things. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.